Hi, boys and girls. Since we're mixing all of our spelling patterns, I thought that we would open up the Spell It activity just to review all the spelling patterns one more time before we take our practice spelling test. You're going to hear a series of 5 words read out loud in this section. So first, you're going to listen for the number of phonemes, just like we used to do whenever we were at school and we had our practice books. And for each phoneme that we hear, we'll fill in one circle. And then we'll write the grapheme that matches that phoneme in the box. Remember, one phoneme can have more than one grapheme or letters, okay? All of these 5 words are only going to have one syllable, but then whenever we get to the next 5 words, they'll have more than one syllable, and we'll use our whale talk to say those words, okay? Here we go. Number 1 is bunch. Get your fingers ready. We're going to stretch out the word bunch. I have a bunch of grapes. Bunch. What sound is the first sound we hear? B. What letter spells that? B. What's the next sound that we hear? What letter spells the sound? U. Ch. We have that CH digraph for that last phoneme. Okay, good job. Number 2, listen as I say the word. Stain. Mr. Sam had a stain in his shirt. Stain. S. T. A. N. Are you stretching this out with your fingers? Stain has 4 phonemes. What's the first phoneme? S, spelled with an S. S. T. Second phoneme is T, spelled with a T. A. That's a vowel pattern, okay? A vowel team. So AI spells the long A in this word. And if you just wrote an A, you would probably notice that that doesn't make sense because that would be the word stand. So we need that vowel team, AI, okay? Stain, S-T-A-I-N. Number 3 is teach. I love to teach my students. Get your fingers ready to stretch it out. T, E, ch. Teach has 3 phonemes. The first phoneme is T, spelled with a T. E, I hear a long E there. And it's not an open syllable because I have that ch at the end. So I know that I'm going to need to have a vowel team here. There's our vowel team, T, E, and then I have the digraph, C-H, teach. Number 4 is pigs. I saw 5 pigs on the farm, pigs. P-I-G, pigs. P, spelled with a P, I-G, S, pigs. Okay. Number 5 is the word craft. My boys like to do a craft in the morning. Craft. K-R-A-F-T. Craft has 5 phonemes. K, spelled with a C. R, spelled with an R. A, spelled with an A. F-T. Craft. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls, now these words in our 2-star challenge words, they have 2 syllables, okay? So you see that they're separated by syllables. So we'll whale talk it or syllable stomp it out, okay? The first word is cobweb. I saw a cobweb in the corner. Cobweb. K-A-B. Cob is the first syllable. K-A-B. And web is that second syllable. W-E-B. Spelled W-E-B. So cobweb has 2 syllables. Number 2 is peaches. Let's whale talk peaches. Remember, when you hear that is sound at the end, it makes an extra syllable, adds an extra syllable to that word. Okay, so get your fingers ready. Peach is the first syllable in the word peaches. So, P-E-Ch. First syllable says peach. P-E-Ch. The second syllable is. Not spelled I-S, though. It's that inflectional ending. So how is it spelled? E-S. Peaches. Okay. Number 3 is packing. I can't wait to be packing for vacation. Packing. Packing. 2 syllables. Packing. 2 syllables. Pack is the first syllable. Ing is the second. Let's spell the first syllable first. How many phonemes? P, A, K. 3 phonemes. P, spelled with the P. A, short A. K, digraph CK. Let's add our ending. I, N, G. Ing. Oh, ing only has 1 phoneme, so we put that ing in that one box because it's 1 phoneme. Ing. All right, number 4 is hero. What is your favorite superhero? Hero. We whale talk it, I hear 2 syllables. Hero. E, spelled with an H. E, spelled with an E. That's that open syllable because we have no consonant here to close that door to make it a short vowel. So hero. O. Spelled with an R. O spelled with an O. There are 2 open syllables in the word hero. Long vowel, long vowel. Number 5 is donuts. Donuts are my favorite. Donuts. Let's syllable stomp it out. Donuts. 2 syllables. Do. Nuts. Let's spell the first syllable. Stretch it out. D. O. Do. D. Spelled with a D. O. Spelled with an O. Open syllable there with that long O. Nuts. N. T. S. Nuts. N. Spelled with an N. Spelled with a U. T. Spelled with a T. And there's that inflectional ending. We don't need to add an ES because it ends in a T. We just add an S. Donuts. Okay? All right, boys and girls, great work today. Please click on the Google form, and you are going to you're going to watch the video and select the correct spelling, okay? So there's going to be a multiple choice question this time. There were some problems with you guys typing in the words, and some of you had spaces in the middle of words, or it was accidentally putting spaces in the words. So I'm just going to have you select the way that the word is correct. The bubble, you'll just fill in the bubble of the correct spelling, okay? So listen to the video and fill in the correct spelling. Good job, boys and girls. Have a great weekend.